Yes, sir. Now this is AP. Sorry. Now I'm actually doing the simple one-line invoice, sir. Can you guide me where I'm going wrong? After this,
Yeah.
I'm going to the line items. See here itself, the error is starting. Please correct the receivable account assignment. So after that, I went to the distribution and changed the account. I'll do that also. I will give one service invoice line item. Okay. Tax automatically gets calculated. So I'm saved. So when I go to distributions, receivable, sir asked me to change this, so I'm changing the receivable account. This is the auto-populated receivable, so I'm changing it. I'm giving it as fee receivable.
Even that for location and sublocation you give as 000.
Oh, it is not allowing. I'll choose some location. And some, I think, see, sir, yesterday also we were facing. Department 730 can only be used. I'm not using Department 730 at all.
Use 730?
Again, I'm facing this error.
Some cross validation used. So, use some other account, no?
Yes, sir. I'm using 1210. I think it was there earlier. So other receivables I'm giving 1220. Department also I'm giving no department. This error. So what I did was I cancelled it. I'm saving with the this one is the auto populated, no? So
Yeah.
I tried to save with it. Complete the transaction. If I click on this should be receipt method cash because it will not fetch. Now I'm giving the complete. Oh, there some. I'm saving. Oh, here that segment location must be entered. See, sir, it is going on in the loop, same error.
Okay. Go to close it, no? Go to setup.
I am closing. And I also came across one Google. Sir said if some error is coming, you just type the error in the Google and check the solution for it. So when I did that for this one, I got this. Oh, sorry, sir. I forgot to see your message. I'm seeing it only now that you wanted to start the class by 9:45.
Yeah, it's okay. Actually, 10:30 I am meeting. So
Okay.
I'll check. I'll go. Like I have some. I checked in Google also. So
Oh.
about that error. So I'll do it just now.
This only, sir. So you can tell me in the next class if the time is very less today.
Yeah.
This error I got for error solution when I typed in Google, I got this page.
Okay.
So I checked auto accounting setup. It has all the thing in auto accounting setup. The second thing I am not able to do. The second and third thing I don't know how to do. So I stopped with that. So actually, you can tell me the problem, the reason for the problem and solution in the next class also if the time is not available today.
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Okay,
And kept.
sir.
Yeah.
Now, one doubt, sir. Yesterday you asked me to do the mass. What is it? Mass addition, no, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
I
Master.
tried with that. Just 1 minute. I'll switch the
Yeah.
response.
So go to. Yeah. Wait. Do. You have created the invoice. Everything.
No, the yesterday I created one invoice, no sir, 1211. It got accepted. That only I wanted to convey.
Okay.
I'll show.
Yeah.
When prepare mass additions, I'll query that thing and show find in that. See sir, it will come actually. See,
Okay.
new
Click on
queue,
open.
new. Which one, sir?
Click on open. Uh, Make it as post. No.
Where to click the
That
post?
mean new is there. No. Top. 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 Top.
Here.
Yeah. Post. Okay.
Now I'll save up.
No. We have to fill the category, everything.
Location, next one.
Yeah. Then we have to run some program.
The category. Computer. Server. What is this? The asset category has not been divided for this depreciation book. So where other category I should choose, sir?
Yeah. Yes.
One doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Yesterday you said in AP while creating the invoice for the asset purchase, we have to debit the asset clearing account, no, sir?
Yeah.
I have doubt in that. When I went through what is about the asset clearing, what are all things will get accounted in it. It is saying it's just a what to say temporary account. If for example, for some receivables we have received the amount and we don't know the invoices for which it is received. we don't debit the receivable accounts. Instead, we debit the asset clearing
Asset
account.
clearing. Yes.
So for assets also, we have to do the same thing.
Yes. So same thing, like just temporary, like it is just for namesake account, that is.
Okay.
So it will clear all the asset, and like it will go to that particular account. That's all.
Okay, sir. For example, we have purchased, say, furniture. So I have done the asset clearing account debit to cash in AP, and here I am choosing the furniture. So in that GL, it will go to directly to the furniture. Will it be like that?
No. It will not go. It will go to asset clearing only.
But in for when we generate trial balance, it should be there in the assets, no, sir, fixed assets. So how to do that?
See, actually, like everything what you mentioned, it I can get you your question. Like, one second,
Uh,
can you tell me?
yes, sir. While creating the invoice for assets in AP, the
Yeah.
purchase invoice,
Yeah.
we are doing asset clearing account debit to the cash account or bank account, whichever is that.
Okay.
So when coming to asset management module, we give the asset the category and subcategory.
Okay.
My question is, when we go to all postings are done. When we go to the GL, when we generate the trial balance, this asset clearing should be zero. It should not show there. Will it be like that? That is what I'm asking. Because the asset should go to the category account.
I'll check with that and I'll let you know like tomorrow.
Okay, sir. That is not my question. Sir, for furniture also it is showing asset category has not been defined for this depreciation book.
Okay, I can.
But it's a mandatory field.
Okay. So just close it, no? Don't save it. Just close it.
Yes, sir.
No, don't save it.
Discard.
Yeah.
So it's not leaving. Now it went.
Close this window. Go to view, submit request, call create mass addition program.
Create, submit a new request. Mass addition.
Create process.
Which one, sir? Create report.
No, not report. Mass addition, delete report. Mass posting status. Okay. Cancel it.
Yes, sir.
Click on type create mass addition. Mass percentage. Yeah. Come down. Not that much.
C. Sir, create is not there.
Create mass accounting is not there. Okay, we have to go through that thing only, right? To do it. Okay. Cancel it and go to that mass addition.
Yes. Option.
Yeah. Go to that post mass additions. Yeah. Okay. In this is the options made up. So here only we face that book.
Paste that error, book error.
So that is why they are also same book. It is not taking over. Close it and go to that one, that window.
Prepare and I should fetch my invoice.
Yeah.
This one, sir.
Add
Can we
to,
not give add to asset from here itself?
yeah, click on it. Asset number.
I'll give
No,
some.
that is like we have to add. You won't get it like it is finding of asset.
Okay.
So okay, capital. New category.
This one, sir.
Merge. Click on open. Actually, it should post when you are going in. Okay.
But it is showing capitalized.
Okay, description source. Change the queen. Change it to post. No.
Now only the mandatory fields are getting enabled.
Okay. Fill it apart from category. Expense account you type enter.
Expense account, for what purpose, sir, this expense account is given?
So expense account is like this is AP, no? So from AP invoice we are getting it here. So all the when you're buying in a cert, so all the expenses will be going, no, for purchasing of.
Like for repairs?
Yeah, yes. For repairs, for purchasing of an asset, for capitalization.
Purchasing of asset, we don't give the expense account. No, we directly give the asset account capitalization. So,
Capital.
but it is asking expenses account, so I'm getting doubt for which purpose this account is given.
So expense it will get accounted in asset like for mass editions and all for while adding it.
Uh,
Uh,
so
so for
which
an
type of
employee when he buys in asset, so it will go to expense account.
okay. So which type of expense should I give here?
Check normal expenses there, like how the chart of accounts have been defined.
No, like which type repairs or what expense type should I choose?
Repairs or back one
Or
more.
depreciation expenses?
Yeah, yes.
See, sir, again the
So
same error.
again, department 730 can be used. Okay.
No, we are not using 730 at all, but it is showing the error.
Click on details. Change the company segment, no?
Yes, no, I will do, sir.
I'll check with this and I'll let you know like tomorrow.
Okay.
So I'm getting
Okay.
late for yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, Bonnie.